Hello, so in this video, bonus video to your first lesson, you're going to learn two things. One is you're going to learn how to draw treble clef, right? Treble clef tells you to play piano with your right hand. And I'm going to do it with you. So it goes like this. You can draw me a J, the letter J, or like a candy cane, or an umbrella handle. Then to the right, you're going to draw a small half circle. And then to the left, you're going to just continue. Draw a bigger half circle. And then just continue to the other side and just kind of curl up. And then just twirl. And that's your treble clef. And this is the procedure. In case you forget, you could take a screenshot if you like. A J, half circle, continue with a big half circle, and just twirl around to the other side. Now, the second thing you're going to learn is what I call a block keys song. And it is the song I play for you in the introduction. I'll do it here. Okay, so because you are beginners, so I'm gonna go a little bit slowly. So do you see the group of two block keys? You can put these two fingers here. 1, 2, again, 1, 2, 3, 3. You're gonna play with your left hand. 3. So you're gonna. Do you see you are skipping these two block keys? These two. Okay, we're gonna start with a group of two block keys here. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. Now 4 and 5 is actually these two. These two. This is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 4 and 5 are the same notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you pause and try it yourself? Okay, so your first phrase in this song has five notes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your first phrase. Your second phrase is exactly the same. So we're going to do the phrase twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your third phrase is almost the same as your first phrase, but a little bit shorter, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no 5, right? Okay, so the whole thing sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember your left hand was here. How many times did you play your left hand? You play 3 times. Your left hand gets bored, so your left hand moves away. Okay? Like this, goes away. And play a new key. Now, when it goes away, your right hand gets angry. So it stomps on your keys. Okay? Only once. Then your left hand gets a little scared. So moves further away to this key. Now your right hand now gets depressed and down and goes inward. So look what happens to your right hand. Your thumb goes in and down. Your pinky goes in and down, and you're gonna play this 2 times. So let's do it from beginning. First, second, and third phrase. 4, right? You end on 4. Then you're gonna move away with your left hand. Right hand plays. Left hand moves further away. Right hand goes inward and down. Do you see that? Sorry about that. Yes? Okay. So please pause and practice that. Now when you come back, I'm going to show you. So you should spend maybe 3-4 minutes on that. And when you come back, I'm going to show you that music is basically about patterns. So even though the keys might be different or the same or varied, it will try to maintain certain pattern. So now you started here. Now don't move. Okay, this is where you ended. We are going to stay here, and the second part of the song starts where you ended. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 4 and 5 are white keys. So in your second part, your first phrase is this. I'll try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your second phrase is the same as first phrase. So you can do that again. And your third phrase is a touch shorter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guess what's going to happen? Now left hand is here 3 times. Yes? Now in the new part. So now the left hand wants to go home. So move back. Right hand plays. Left hand wants to move back more to its original starting place. And right hand does the same. Goes back out and up. Right, this is where right hand started. So I'm going to do you could pause and practice, but your left hand is 2 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys. Right, I'm going to start from here. The second part. So please pause and practice for 2 minutes. And when you come back, I'm going to play this for you. Sorry, let's try again. Okay, so let me know how this video is. If I'm going too fast or too slow, or I'm not clear, or my fingers are in the way of the keys. Okay, thank you. And when you wanted to come back, I'm also the next video for kind of part of the lesson is a preview for your second lesson, and that should take only 2 minutes. Okay, see you.